The Quran, myth busted. Muslims try to show that there is scientific information in the Quran that could only have come from Allah. One example that is often cited is the development of the human fetus. Quran 23:12-14 says, "And certainly did we create man from an extract of clay. Then we placed him as a sperm drop in a firm lodging. Then we made the sperm drop into a clinging clot, and we made the clot into a lump of flesh, and we made from the lump bones. And we covered the bones with flesh. Then we developed him into another creation. So blessed is Allah, the best of creators." And where does the semen come from? Quran 86 verses 6 and 7 says, "He was created from a fluid, ejected, emerging from between the backbone and the ribs." No, people are not made from an extract of clay. I can't imagine how Allah got that so wrong. Actually, I can. It's in the Hebrew Bible that Adam was made from earth. The name Adam means earth. So that's where that idea came from. Secondly, semen comes from the testicles, not from between the backbone and the ribs. How did Allah get that so wrong? So I researched, and it turns out that Aristotle, the much respected Greek philosopher, made the same mistake in his book The History of Animals, written 1,000 years before Muhammad. Is it possible that Allah got this mistake from Aristotle? Third, the Quran says that the bones are formed before the flesh, which sounds quite plausible, but actually it's the other way round. The flesh grows first and then part of it solidifies into bone. So where did that come from? That mistake leads us to Galen, a Greek physician, AD 129 to 216, who wrote a book on the formation of the fetus 400 years before Muhammad. And the description in the Quran matches that of Galen, including the mistakes that Galen made. So how could Muhammad, an illiterate man, Muslims are very keen on that fact, have known about the work of Galen when he couldn't read or write? Well, he had friends, companions who could read, and Galen's book was well known at that time. Myth busted.